say that you a leaving, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Girls want girls where Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where I'm from. My girl got a girlfriend. Ain't tryna be out of shape. What's the deal on them curls?
Day 10 in the wilderness.
Sometimes I look around for someone who might understand it. Seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience. Now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. Hate the way they paint it. I love the way that you walk and the air you breathe. I just let them know.
We are like at our first stop. Anna buy breakfast. I didn't eat in the morning. You know, like Andy Siwe knows.
I know, I love
She's a Cape Town girly.
I'm a Cape Town girlie.
So we
High
have
school is that side.
exactly. We have a
Top
guide.
guys.
Exactly. Oh.
And so what? You fell in love a couple times. Tell me, what's it to you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, what's it to you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, what's it to you? Tell me. Is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? What's it to you? Is it a crime? So what? You fell in love a couple times. Tell me, what's it to you?
We're currently in the parking lot, guys. We're gonna go in to see. We are here, guys. We are finally here. Marina Hotel. It's a hotel. No? Apartment. Yeah. We are home, guys.
What's it to you? Is it a crime to fall?
This is the bedroom. Vlogas. Sila. This is the bathroom. It's so beautiful. Wow, majestic and stuff. We are going outside. Guys, like it's so beautiful. Like You must live life and yeah, man. These are my friends. We're walking to Waterfront right now. And yeah, I'll catch you guys when we are there, man. So guys, we're about to head out to the pool. It's currently like 9:30 p.m. I'm still like figuring how how to use you get what I'm saying. But yeah, this is the pool outfit, not the beach outfit. The pool outfit. Yeah, let's go to the beach. Let's go to the pool, girl. I'm fumbling.
Sometimes I look around for someone who might understand it. Seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience. Now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. It's the way they paint it. Love the way that you walk and the air you breathe. I just lay on top, but it bothers me. 'Cause it ain't love they see. But it ain't not to discuss, 'cause it is to me. And so what?
Start the video. Oh. Okay, but now where's the damn. Oh yeah. Hello guys. So we're by the pool right now and it's chill. It's chill vibes. Chill vibes. There's the others. How do you zoom in? How do I zoom in?
2 fingers.
Boy. Just Bitwarela.
Yeah,
Or maybe it's me. Oh, okay.
But it's dark,
guys,
though.
technology. Yeah. There's Shongiza. Now how do I stop the video? How girl?
It's currently like 12:30, so I'm about to sleep because we're waking up at 5. Let me sleep. So guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but we just woke up. It's currently 6 a.m. I hope you guys can hear me. But yeah, 6 a.m. and I'm about to shower. I'm done showering. Gonna iron my clothes now and then put on the clothes and start lotion up. Can you guys hear me? Like, can somebody please comment and say audio or something? If you guys cannot hear me, don't mind it. Yeah.
I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Hey, man, just dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out bitch, you done been through. Yeah, say that you a leave, and girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where I'm from.
My girl got a girlfriend. Ain't tryna be out of shape. What's up on them curls? In the gym, don't work in surgery. I pay for that, my courtesy. Can imagine no curving me. I put in that work overly. I handle business, and I got two pretty. Keep them up on fleek. They got matching beans and matching AP. Now they can really call each other twins. I'm cool with all the owners. They love me, so they gon' let us in and bring all of your peers to look better with my people. We got 1942 Casamigos just being heated. They gotta follow us in the Uber. My car feel no way through the city. Lights, camera, action when you with us. It's a movie. I don't try my cool to house parties. I'm tryna leave with you. Don't nobody know that we do. She like he ain't pretty, I'm like me too. I can't wait to get out work, so go and see you. Please bring your girlfriend along with you. Coming on my mind too much, like what the f is wrong with me? She said it's something about the way your girl just makes her feel. Whatever you been dreaming about, I swear to make it real. Run around the town with me, then come like
2 hours up and down.
Guys, we are tired. Yeah, I'm tired. Bonolo has
I have so much
energy.
energy. I'm
Like
so
she has
excited.
so much
Excited.
energy. Me and Andisiwe, we are out. Shongi, how are you feeling?
Angas.
Rangas. She just wants to get on the mountain. Guys, the view is insane.
Guys, you just arrived. Team Spirit, come. No way. Yeah.
I don't know if you was
Andisiwe is out of breath.
We just arrived. We didn't even go anywhere.
Guys, you have to like, ooh. Thing is,
2 hours to go.
2 hours.
To show them what happened before
Guys,
I faint.
we are in the bundus. We are lost.
Oh shit. Hello guys. The others just can't keep up, bro. Like, I don't know what else to. Do you think we should leave them? Oh, what must happen?
Ish.
Guys. I'm not giving you any khaki. I'm not giving you any. In fact, let me actually stay ahead of you. Okay, come.
Yeah, we are almost there.
I even thought Shongi was gonna be the strongest. Yeah.
We lost Shongi,
We
our
lost a
hike
member.
master. Our hike master quit. In the morning,
No, she's not next. No one's next.
in the morning, she's like, let's go, let's go.
She was the first to wake up.
I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know.
Over there, by the very end there, that last cow. It's not funny anymore. Nothing's funny anymore. And you seriously, you did yourself justice. Yeah.
Guys, we are sweating. I've never sweated like this before. Like, what do you mean? You
But we'll go, we'll make it. We're gonna push through, guys.
perfect. Yeah.
We're gonna push through, we don't have a choice. I don't think it's worth turning back at this point.
I wanna go, man. Yo, guys, this is not easy, man. Like, don't do this ever in your life.
Yo, boy.
I don't recommend. Don't ever. But the view is beautiful. Mara, we still have to go like up. Apparently, we are almost there. Just trust and believe. Day 10 in the wilderness.
Oh my gosh, she scared me. Oh Oh my goodness.
Where are you?
Oh my gosh.
I can't see you.
Hey.
Day 10 in the wilderness, guys.
They in the wilderness for real.
We have no water left.
We have our water's finished, guys. We made it, guys. We made it. We at the top.
10 decades
Guys,
later.
I all of a sudden have energy again. I have energy again.
We can go down again.
Hell no, bro.
We are here, guys. We are here.
We actually made it.
We're going to the cable what?
Oh my goodness. And 13 minutes left. We actually made it.
That is so
At
beautiful.
10:05 after 3 hours. After 3 hours of hiking.
I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Hey, man, just dress 'cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out bitch, you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lady, then girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls, yeah. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where I'm
My
from.
girl got a girlfriend. They tryna be out the shape, what's ill on them curls in the gym. I'm working surgery. I'll pay for that, my courtesy. Can imagine no serving me. I put in that work overly. I handle business and I got too pretty. Keep them up on fleek. They got matching beans and matching APs. Now they can really call each other twins. I'm cool without a hundred. So they gon' let us in and bring all of your peers on the better. We're more up here. We got IC42 Casamigos. They got a follow us in the Uber. My car feel no way through the city. Lights, camera, action when you with us. It's a movie. I don't try my cool to house parties. I'm tryna be with you. Don't nobody know that we do. She like me, I'm like me too. I can't wait to get out what you going to you. Please bring your girlfriend along with you. Coming on my mind too much like what the f is wrong with me? She said it's
We are dark, but we are going out.
And then we still need to walk again to the car because I see way cannot drive.
Come, I might go, I don't know.
I don't know.
So guys, we're gonna have dinner now. Supper at a mountain. It's a video. dark, guys, but welcome back to the YouTube channel.
It's so cold.
It's cold in here. We are at Camel Work about to play games or whatever, but it's cold. You guys are never on my YouTube channel. Maraking ma.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl, boys and boys, baby.
People are gonna think you're boy. That's every time you say that.
We're going, I don't know which floor it is, but
Yay! That is lighting. And the lighting is proper. Give me. This is what I bought, guys. 405 tickets.
And that's the way I like it.
We are finally here, guys.
That's the way I like it.
Yo. Who formed these steps?
If you fuck me, then fuck you.
Guys, we are here, man. Let's have ourselves a great time.
That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it.
You know that everything made me feel love. Had lost nothing, but right now it's just a hole. Shit felt good, it's hurting, I don't wanna hold me. Pipe me up, you give me hype. You my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stress off, that's my only vice. I take it off when you tell me if I'm feeling fine. I want it all, risk it all like I'm rolling dice. Taking it all, it's my second life. That's me, down in the nigga backseat. Cash out on the backseat beach. Holding on my body, holding on, that's me. Bitch, you think you might get me. All I want for love is all there.
Some of y'all go get washed. Some of y'all just go pop shit. Some of y'all just go talk. But none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it wasn't for you.
Yeah, only want your love if it's solid.
I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Hey, man, just dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out bitch, you done been through. Yeah, say that you a leave, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where I'm from.
My girl got a girlfriend. Ain't tryna be out of shape. What's up on them curls? In the gym, I'm working surgery. I'll pay for that, my courtesy. Can imagine no curving me. I put in that work overly. I handle business, and I got two pretty. Keep them up on fleek. They got matching beans and matching AP. Now they can really call each other twins. I'm cool with all the owners. They love me, so they gon' let us in and bring all of your peers to look better with my people. We got actually 42 Casamigos just getting hit. They gotta follow us in the Uber. My car feel no way through the CB. Lights, camera, action when you with us. It's a movie. I don't try my cool to house parties. I'm tryna leave with you. Don't nobody know that we do. She like he 50, I'm like me too. I can't wait to get out work, so going to see you. Please bring your girlfriend along with you. Coming on my mind too much, like what the f is wrong with me? She said it's something about the way your girl just makes her feel. Whatever you been dreaming about, I swear to make it real. Run around the town with me, then come lay down.
I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know.
I don't know.
I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Hey, man, just dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out bitch, you done been through. Yeah, say that you a leave, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where I'm
My
from.
girl got a girlfriend. Ain't tryna be out of shape. What's up on them curls? In the gym, I'm working surgery. I'll pay for that, my courtesy. Can imagine no curving me. I put in that work overly. I handle business, and I got two pretty. Keep them up on fleek. They got matching beans and matching AP. Now they can really call each other twins. I'm cool with all the owners. They love me, so they gon' let us in and bring all of your peers to look better with my people. We got actually 42 Casamigos just getting hit. They gotta follow us in the Uber. My car feel no way through the CB. Lights, camera, action when you with us. It's a movie. I don't try my cool to house parties. I'm tryna leave with you. Don't nobody know that we do. She like he 50, I'm like me too. I can't wait to get out work, so going to see you. Please bring your girlfriend along with you. Coming on my mind too much, like what the f is wrong with me? She said it's something about the way your girl just makes her feel. Whatever you been dreaming about, I swear to make it real. Run around the town with me, then come lay down.
I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know.
I don't know.
And that's the way I like it.
That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Smile from underneath.
That's the way I like it.
When I'm down for the news.
That's the way I like it. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to.
Yeah, only want your love if it's solid.
But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it.
That's the way I like it.
And that's the way I like it.
Cooking a smile from underneath bitches.
That's the way I like it.
When I'm down for the news.
That's the way I like it.
You know that everything made me feel love. just to hold. It felt good to sudden up, don't wanna hold me. Pipe me up, you give me hype. You my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stress off, that's my only vice. I take it off when you tell me if I'm feeling fine. I want it all, risk it all like I'm rolling dice. Taking it all, it's my second life. That's me, passed out on a nigga backseat. Cash out on the backseat beach. All in on my body, all in on that's me. Bitch, you think you might get me. All I want for love is all there.
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel, you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it wasn't for you.
Yeah, only want your love if it's solid.
That's the way I like it. Every